Hello guys, this is Archana. Welcome back to another videos. Actually, I came here today in Poilan Temple. So there, I'm going to shoot some of my yoga videos and yoga posture. Then for the tutorial videos, I will shoot. So let's see how shoot is happening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, the places is so beautiful. I took some of my yoga posture shoots here. So it's a night view of this temple, Swami Narayan temple. So it's a beautiful and amazing experience and amazing feeling. So when you are in free, you can go and visit evening time and more beautiful evening time. And also you can worship and you can do some arati at the evening. Everyone together is to the sky color. It's a real color, no editing done here. So it's a real. The sky color is same, the dark blue. It's amazing experience. And when we'll do together the arati, it's also much pleasure and happiness you will feel from inside. And another most important reason to visit this temple is the Nilkantha Varane. He is the great Bal Yogi. So if you want to know more about the Nilkantha Varane, I will share a YouTube link in the description box. You can go and visit and just know about Nilkantha Varane, because most of the people also think that Nilkantha Varane himself is God. So he's the great Bal Yogi. You can learn so many things, how to connect with Paramatma. So study his life. It's a beautiful experience and know about himself. Those who are especially practicing yoga.